Did you know that a simple mineral could transform your health after the age of 60? Epsom salt, often overlooked, holds incredible benefits for your body when used correctly. As we age, common health issues like joint pain, muscle aches, and poor sleep can take a toll on our quality of life. But what if there was a natural solution sitting in your home that could help tackle these problems and more? In this video, we'll reveal the 10 amazing health benefits of Epsom salt and the proper way to use it. Whether you're looking to relieve pain, improve your sleep, or support your overall well-being, Epsom salt might just be the game changer you've been searching for. So, if you're curious to learn how to use this natural remedy to feel healthier and more energized, stay tuned till the end of this video. Before we start, if you've ever used Epsom salt, give this video a like so we can see how many of you are already familiar with its wonders. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update on powerful health tips. Now let's dive in. First benefit: relieve muscle and joint pain. Did you know that Epsom salt is a natural solution for easing muscle and joint pain? As we age, our bodies often struggle with inflammation and soreness, especially after physical activities or long days on our feet. By using Epsom salt correctly, you can quickly relieve these discomforts. The magnesium sulfate in Epsom salt is absorbed through the skin, helping to relax muscles, reduce swelling, and improve overall mobility. All you have to do is dissolve a cup of Epsom salt in warm water and soak the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes. This simple method not only soothes your pain, but also revitalizes your body, making you feel more agile and energetic. Second benefit: reduce swelling and inflammation. Swelling in the legs, feet, or even hands is a common challenge, especially as we age or face conditions like prolonged standing or poor circulation. Epsom salt offers a natural and effective solution to this problem. Its anti-inflammatory properties work to draw out excess fluids from swollen areas, reducing puffiness and promoting comfort. Here's how to use it. Dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath. Immerse the affected areas and let the minerals soothe and refresh your body. You'll feel the difference as the swelling subsides, leaving you lighter and more at ease. And did you know? Some people even use cold Epsom salt compresses for acute swelling after minor injuries. It's a versatile remedy. Keep watching to discover even more surprising ways Epsom salt can support your health and well-being. Third benefit: detoxify the body and eliminate toxins. Your body naturally accumulates toxins over time, especially as metabolism slows with age. These toxins can lead to fatigue, dull skin, and even more severe health issues. Epsom salt, when used correctly, acts as a natural detoxifier. The magnesium sulfate helps flush out harmful substances through the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes. This process not only cleanses your body from within, but also promotes better overall health. And as a bonus, it's a great way to relax after a long day. Fourth benefit: improve sleep and combat insomnia. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, Epsom salt might be the solution you didn't know you needed. The magnesium content in Epsom salt promotes relaxation by calming the nervous system and reducing stress. Unlike the previous benefits, this effect works on a mental and physical level, helping you prepare for a night of deep, restorative sleep. To experience this, dissolve 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes an hour before bedtime. As we mentioned earlier, The minerals are absorbed through the skin, enhancing your body's ability to relax and promoting a peaceful state of mind. Stay tuned, because the upcoming benefits will show you how this simple mineral can support your health in even more surprising ways. Fifth benefit: promote circulation and support heart health. Maintaining healthy blood circulation becomes increasingly vital as we age, as poor blood flow can cause cold hands and feet, persistent fatigue, and even heart-related problems. Epsom salt can be a game changer here. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for improved circulation and reducing strain on the heart. To experience this benefit, prepare a warm basin of water, dissolve a cup of Epsom salt, and soak your hands or feet for 15 minutes. This not only boosts circulation, but also provides relief from tension and discomfort in the extremities. Additionally, regular use of Epsom salt soaks can support overall vascular health, helping you feel more energized and active throughout your day. Sixth benefit: relieve nerve pain and discomfort. Nerve pain, such as tingling, numbness, or burning sensations, can be particularly frustrating and debilitating. Whether caused by conditions like sciatica or diabetes, Epsom salt can provide a natural way to ease this discomfort. As we mentioned earlier, magnesium sulfate absorbs through the skin, but in this case, it targets the nervous system, helping to calm overactive nerve signals and reduce pain. To experience this, take a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salt and immerse the affected area. Regular use can lead to noticeable relief and improved comfort in your daily life. Don't miss the next points. Epsom salt's benefits go far beyond what you've seen so far. Seventh benefit: enhance skin health and fight aging signs. As we age, our skin often loses its natural glow and elasticity, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and fine lines. Epsom salt is a natural remedy to rejuvenate your skin and restore its youthful appearance. The minerals in Epsom salt help exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production. Simply mix Epsom salt with a bit of olive oil or honey to create a natural scrub. Gently massage it onto your skin to cleanse pores, improve texture, and achieve a radiant glow. This treatment also helps minimize dark spots and puffiness, making your skin look fresher and healthier. Eighth benefit: support digestive health and relieve bloating. Digestive issues like bloating, gas, or indigestion can disrupt daily life, especially for older adults. Epsom salt, when used properly, can aid in regulating digestion and relieving discomfort. Dissolving a small amount of food-grade Epsom salt in warm water and consuming it as directed can act as a mild laxative, helping to cleanse the digestive system and reduce bloating. However, this method should only be used occasionally and under proper guidance. Remember, as we mentioned before, Epsom salt is not just for external use, but also offers targeted internal benefits when used appropriately. Stay with us, because the next benefits reveal how this natural remedy continues to surprise with its versatility and effectiveness. Ninth benefit: strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. As we age, maintaining bone density becomes a critical aspect of health. Weak bones can lead to fractures and other complications. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for bone health. Unlike calcium supplements that target bones directly, magnesium enhances the body's ability to absorb calcium effectively, promoting stronger and healthier bones. To reap this benefit, enjoy a relaxing bath with Epsom salt regularly, allowing your skin to absorb the magnesium. And here's an interesting fact. Studies suggest that magnesium can also improve balance, reducing the risk of falls in older adults. So, soaking in Epsom salt is more than just relaxation. It's a step towards staying active and independent. 10th benefit: boost immunity and fight infections. Have you ever thought that a simple soak could help your immune system? Epsom salt enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms by supporting the production of white blood cells, which play a vital role in fighting infections. This benefit is especially crucial during flu season or when recovering from minor illnesses. Additionally, Epsom salt baths can soothe irritated skin caused by bacterial or fungal infections, speeding up the healing process. To add a twist, try combining Epsom salt with a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or tea tree oil during your bath. This not only boosts the antibacterial effect, but also creates a spa-like experience at home, leaving you relaxed and rejuvenated. With these diverse benefits, Epsom salt proves to be a versatile and invaluable addition to your wellness routine. Important note on using Epsom salt. Before you start using Epsom salt, there's something you should know. It's important to choose the right type. Not all Epsom salt products are created equal. To make sure you're getting the best quality, look for food-grade Epsom salt that's pure and free of additives. If you're unsure where to find it, don't worry. I've included a link to the recommended product in the description or the first comment. Also, remember to use it in moderation. While it's incredibly beneficial, overdoing it, especially if you're consuming it, can sometimes lead to unwanted effects like stomach discomfort. It's always about balance, right? If you have any medical conditions like kidney problems or diabetes, it's a good idea to check with your doctor first. It's better to be safe and ensure it's right for you. And one last thing, if you're trying Epsom salt for the first time, start small and see how your body responds. It's always best to ease into something new, even if it's as natural and helpful as Epsom salt. How to use Epsom salt correctly. Now that you know the amazing benefits of Epsom salt and how to choose the right type, let's talk about how to use it properly. It's simpler than you might think, and you don't need any fancy tools. For relaxing your muscles or relieving pain, the best way is to prepare a warm bath. Add about 2 cups of Epsom salt to your bathtub, stir it until it dissolves, and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure the water isn't too hot. Comfortably warm is enough to help your body absorb the minerals. If you don't have a bathtub, don't worry. A simple foot soak works wonders too. Use a basin, add a cup of Epsom salt, and soak your feet for about 15 minutes. This is especially great if you've been on your feet all day or have swelling. For digestive health or detox, you can take it internally, but only if it's labeled as food grade and safe for consumption. Dissolve the recommended amount, usually about half a teaspoon, in a glass of water and drink it. Be sure to follow the instructions on the package. Using Epsom salt is easy and versatile. Just choose the method that fits your needs. And remember, consistency is key. Regular use gives the best results. Epsom salt truly is a hidden gem that offers countless benefits for your health and well-being, especially as we age. From relieving pain and reducing swelling to promoting better sleep and even strengthening your bones, this simple remedy can make a significant difference in your daily life when used correctly. Remember, the key is choosing the right product. You'll find a recommended option linked in the description or first comment. Using it in moderation and being consistent. It's incredible how small habits like a relaxing soak or a quick foot bath can improve how you feel every day. If you haven't tried Epsom salt yet, now might be the perfect time to give it a go. Start with one benefit that resonates most with your needs and see the results for yourself. Take care of your health And don't forget to share this information with someone who might benefit from it. After all, good health is always better when shared.